Health News, a less invasive surgery for patients with spinal conditions.
News 8 medical reporter Jocelyn Momentez in our New Haven newsroom with more on how it helped one man to walk without pain.
And Darren, the patient has degenerative disc disease. Over the years, he has undergone 12 surgeries, 3 this year alone, but the last one proved to be the most successful.
John Delaney is back in the driver's seat after years of pain in the lower back and numerous surgeries.
I couldn't do anything. You couldn't drive. You could drive for like 15 minutes.
Excruciating pain.
And 0 to 10, it was a 10.
Due to a pinched nerve in his lower spine, made it also challenging to walk.
This right leg was just numb, and the pain would go down to your foot.
John's spinal condition, a complicated case for neurosurgeon Dr. Joseph Afrizon, a minimal invasive spine surgeon at Hartford Hospital.
He had a fusion on the bottom of the spine, and despite the fusion, one of the nerves was still pinched on the right side.
To get around the scarring and bone growth from previous surgeries, Dr. Afrizon used an illuminating tool.
We turned the light on, and now we can see the area that we're working on through the retractor.
The Lumiere Retractor was approved by the FDA just this year.
We can see more. We can see more and we can see better.
So surgeons like Dr. Afrizon are much more precise.
We were able to directly position the retractor to get directly to the place where the damage was and didn't have to deal with byproducts of prior surgery. And in fact, we were able to effectively open the space around the nerve and remove some disc over the nerve without going through the scar and without drilling the bone.
For patients like John Delaney, no open surgical procedure, less complications, and a speedier recovery.
Well, I'm just really glad that I'm able to get up and go and, get back to a normal life.
Back in step with life, pain-free.
And John no longer has to use a cane or a walker, as you just saw. It tells me he was back home just days after the surgery in rehab.